Hi, I'm back. Hello, I'm so sorry. Uh, I'm just waiting for Anshuman again. Yay! Waiting for Anshuman Jha to join the chat. Love, Lust and Confusion 3. As soon as I have an update about Love, Lust and Confusion 3, I swear to God I will post it. Anshuman! Hello!
I was having so much fun watching you do what you were doing.
Waiting for you.
I was here. I even sent you a request. After that, I was just.
Arey, but my app only hung. I don't know why.
Yeah, I like your specs, yeah, Tara. Very
You're the
cool.
only one. सब मुझे पूछ रहे हैं कि क्यों पहन रहे हो, उतार दो, ये वो.
Acha.
But I can't see without them, so I
How are
normally
you?
wear lenses.
I just had some amazing mango milkshake.
Yum!
All right, people, bring on the questions if you have any.
Mastram season 2. They want
हाँ, वो तो-
Mastram season 2.
Hi,
They
Red
want to
Forest.
know. They want to know if Rajaram and Madhu get married in Mastram season 2.
I'm copying Tara's action. She did this. Yeah, if the writers get us to marry, we'll marry. If they leave us as boyfriend girlfriend, we'll remain boyfriend girlfriend. If they write another angle, which is what I think is happening, then that will happen.
Love, Lust and Confusion 3. Love, Lust and Confusion 3, I swear, as soon as there's any update about it, I will let everyone know.
Guys,
Fabulous
any
season,
questions?
Mastram. Thank you.
Tara, do you remember Imanda something? I forgot. Mastram 2. Hopefully soon. We want
Hi.
Love Lust 3.
Thank you so much, yeah. They love the
आपकी-
character we both played.
See, आप क्या? We want Love Lust Confusion.
Next Tamil movie is Biskot, which is also with Santanam sir, which will hopefully release once.
When is
Things
that
are-
coming?
When theaters open, I guess.
अच्छा. आपको first
How is the lockdown going for you guys? Anshuman, how is the lockdown going for you?
यार, I usually live in a lockdown. So for
I
me,
say same here, same here.
I live at home and I'm very peaceful and I hardly step out. Tara does it because she lives in Bombay. So for her, it's a trek if she has to do anything. But I
But
live
anyway,
right in
I wouldn't.
Yeah, I think Tara and me are very similar in that respect.
Yeah. Few friends like to be at home.
Yeah, very few friends, but very
Alone
close.
time meaning solo time.
Yeah, cooking a lot in lockdown, spending a lot of time with my dog. We sit on the window and watch the sunset every evening.
Sweet. You can see the sunset from your apartment.
Nahi, it's very interesting. So my house, so the west is the other side. So the windows are facing the east. But what happens in the east, there's a building which has really big glass windows. So when the sun is setting,
Oh, so you can see the
reflection keeps hitting the house at different angles. Yeah, so बहुत मजा आता है हमको. Guys,
wow.
wow.
अंशुमन जी,
your work-
आपकी नेक्स्ट लव स्टोरी कब आ रही है?
जी मेरी फिल्म आएगी हम भी अकेले तुम भी अकेले जरीन खान के साथ वो
कब
15th मई को आ जाती लेकिन लॉकडाउन हो गया है सो होपफुली सून शायद डिजिटल आ जाए क्योंकि थिएटर का तो
even I want to see.
यू तो यू कैन सी इट व्हेनेवर यू वांट.
अच्छा ऐसा? I'll message you after this.
You can watch.
I'm dying to see it, yeah, because of
Yeah,
you
yeah.
and Harish sir.
Yeah. It's been directed by Harish Vyas, who directed Mastram. So yeah. Questions. Tara, do you remember Pardiya? Ma'am, you're
Who?
sweet. Somebody's asking if you remember. Loved your movie. Love games. Love, lust,
Thank
confusion.
you.
Uh,
Wait, I'm going up. Huh? Amazing performance in Mastram. How sweet, guys. Thank you. Please continue showing us love for it.
yes. Keep spreading the word. Uh, Tara, you've answered Tamil film. You're so cute. I keep asking Tara. I think the specs are adding to it. लॉकडाउन कैसा जा रहा है? आपका लॉकडाउन कैसा जा रहा है? आप ये तो बताओ. Tara, I'm asking you.
मी मैं मेरे लिए तो लॉकडाउन सेम है. मतलब लाइफ नॉर्मल लाइफ में मेरा लॉकडाउन चलता है. But I must say, actually, I'm very lucky because the first week I love being at home and I love cooking and cleaning and all this whatever normal ghar ka stuff. But the thing is that being at home by choice and then having to be at home for so long is very different.
Yeah.
And now I feel like in between I was feeling like, now I was dying to like. I love work. I love the work that we do. So I was just feeling very funny. Ki,
Right.
Nothing is happening in terms of like your mind is engaged in things, but I love our job because it engages you on very different levels.
Many
And
levels.
then I was approached for Disconnected, which is the international web series
Guys,
that we're
watch
shooting
this.
for.
It's really good, and it's been
And it
made
was like
fully.
a blessing, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it was a blessing because we're so busy with that because पहले तो सब कुछ खुद ही करना पड़ता है. एडी का काम, डीओपी का काम, लाइटिंग का काम, मतलब सब कुछ. हाँ. And then
But
उसके
it's good.
ऊपर
Now you can make things on your own.
it's fantastic. I'll never make things on my own. I can't. I don't have the temperament.
Our Mitra's asking, name 3 actors who have made an influence in your life. So my 3 actors, Nasiruddin Shah, त्रिदेव की VHS मेरे घर पे थी और फिर वो VHS की दुकान बंद हो गई. So वो VHS रह गई घर पे और मैंने वो फिल्म 50-60 बार देखी when I was 5 or 6. So that song was there, Tirchi Topi Wale in that, and Nasiruddin Shah. And then when I started doing theater and I started interacting with him and watching him, so Nasiruddin Shah, number 1. Amir Khan, number 2. And Irfan Khan, number 3. For me. Tara, yours?
Actors that have really influenced me. I'm just trying to think. I think honestly, like all the actors in who I've worked with, I can't name 3. But
Wow.
I think that all the actors that I've worked with, like I learn different things because you can't ever stop learning as an actor.
Yeah.
Like even working on Mastram, like I've learned so much from you in terms of, sitting like before a scene and reading and actually discussing like what happened iske pehle, what is happening iske baad. I mean, normally, people sit and all this in your mind, but it's something that I know you very consciously have done. At least we have done before every scene. कि इसके पहले क्या हुआ? And the thing is, as an actor, you do that on your own. But sometimes you may not have, sometimes you're co-actor and you may not sit down or have the time to sit and discuss these things. But, so that's something that really helped me, I feel, with Madhu. So I think, and then I learned so much from Akash. He's such a brilliant performer. Jagat ji I've worked with before. So there are no 3 people. I think every time I work on a project, from the actors around me and the directors and DOPs, and where sometimes just random people on set, you end up learning so much from them, yeah, because they have worked on other things, they have seen other people's processes, and somehow they feel, somehow maybe in a conversation or something, they'll tell you something and you're like, oh shit, yeah, that's something I can use in the future. So, yeah.
That's a beautiful
Mastram is very nice. Is it an engagement ring on my finger? This is my Nani's ring. And and I'll never take it off.
Beautiful. Harmonium guy. Speak Maithili Anshuman. Please. की बाजी मैथिली में हमरा बताओ हाँ जे कहब हम से बाइज देर खिनाई खा ले लो मैं मैंगो शेक पी लो अखन और आप कनिए देरी में बॉइल्ड स्वीट पोटैटो गाजर ई सब खाब और किछ नहीं कुत्ता संगे खिला रहल छी और आनंद ल रहल छी आशा करी छी हम सब ठीक छी इज दैट गुड हार्मोनियम गाय
मुझे तो कोई आइडिया नहीं है क्या बोल रहे हो
it's a language very close to Bengali it's like a
version of Bengali
sweeter version so it's spoken in Jharkhand.
Bengali is very sweet.
This is even sweeter. Do you remember someone from Creating Characters official?
Yes,
Kunal?
Of course I do.
Do you remember someone from Creating Characters?
Creating Characters was an acting course I did with Rupesh sir, Samas sir and Vidhu Chaturvedi. They had started it ages ago, and before I started working in casting with Shanu Sharma, I did a 4-month course with them.
With
and
who?
This was after doing a 2-year course in California. This was Vidhu Chaturvedi, Samas and Rupesh. I'm sure you know them. Yeah, they've been around for a while and they're phenomenal teachers. Phenomenal. Someone is saying we don't know how to do live videos.
Sorry, yaar, we are learning.
Should be short and talk to people. Listen, okay. Anshuman and I are not savvy with all these things.
That's still no excuse. I'm very sorry, guys. We don't mean to be doing this. Anshuman ji, आपकी next movie कब आ रही है? हम भी अकेले, तुम भी अकेले. I told you, Midnight Delhi after that.
Where are you, Tara? Mumbai, Bangalore. I'm in Bombay.
Okay.
Tara, you look next season कब?
जी यार जब से लॉकडाउन खत्म होगा शूटिंग करेंगे होपफुली जल्दी.
Why Mastram? Why Mastram? This is for both of you.
You both rock. Thank you very much. Why Mastram?
Why Mastram? This is a very good question.
Yeah.
Why did you do it?
It's a great script. It's a great character. How often do you get to play a guy who's 2 guys in one?
Absolutely. It's true.
And it's based on someone's real life partly. So that's very exciting that there was somebody who was a cult figure in the 80s and who had such a conflicted personal life. So for me, that was the most exciting part about Mastram. And of course, getting to work with a wonderful team, the direction team, the producers.
Amazing team.
The actors, everyone. So, yeah.
True.
Tara, for you?
Truly. For me, I couldn't have said no to being part of the project because I believed in the story. It was my debut film. So, it's something that for me, it was a huge blessing that they considered me for the web series also. And I love Prableen and Sunil ji. I mean, they've been like family since then. And so working with them was, I'll never say no. Yeah.
Yeah. Same here.
Lockdown is to HM. No, I'm from Bombay.
How Tara post pictures of lockdown, people are saying. Hi, Vansh.
How did you start your journey in acting and what challenges did you face? It's a question from Mridul.
If I have to answer, if that's for me, then I am acting on stage since I was 15. This is what I love to do. So I started with summertime workshops at Prithvi. Then I trained with Barry John and did his diploma acting course. And I've been learning since then. I learn even now. Like I try to keep doing courses even now with people who I would think. Like I went to Adi Shakti 2 years ago. I did Tim Supple's workshop last year. So I keep trying to do value addition. That's my same. Yeah. I mean, you need to keep overhauling the machinery.
In life and in your profession.
Yeah. Raj is asking, are you from Allahabad? Yes, Raj, I was born in Allahabad and I was in St. Joseph's till I was 9 years old. Then I moved to Delhi. Favorite series? Star Look Fashion Designer is asking. Tara, what's your favorite series? One word answer.
I don't have any favorite anything.
None? Tara doesn't have. My favorite series would be Stranger Things on Netflix. And yeah. I'm waiting for Mastram.
Did you both watch? Have you both seen Asur? No.
It's on my watch list. I'm going to watch Asur very soon. राजा राम इज परफेक्ट कैरेक्टर, थैंक यू तारा, यू सो स्वीट। मस्तराम में आपने एक चीज नहीं।
पल्लवी इज आस्किंग अंशुमन जी आप शादी कब करोगे, हमारा कोई चांस है क्या?
पल्लवी मैं अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड से पूछूंगा ये इसका जवाब, और मैं उससे बिना पूछे ऐसे सवालों के जवाब नहीं देता। अगर आप वेट कर सकते हो तो नेक्स्ट लाइफ पे मैं इसका जवाब दूंगा। जब वो तैयार हो जाएंगी तब मैं उनसे शादी कर लूंगा।
What is your next project, Tara ma'am? My next project is on YouTube right now. It's called Disconnected. And I'll keep posting about it and posting the links to watch it. आपको हमारे हिमाचल में शूटिंग करके कैसा लगा? बेस्ट क्वेश्चन एवर।
और तारा ने मुझे बताया वहां सिड्डू भी मिलता है। तारा का फेवरेट वर्ड है सिड्डू।
मनाली इज माय फेवरेट प्लेस, मतलब हिमाचल प्रदेश इज माय फेवरेट। तो मैं हमेशा प्रार्थना करती हूँ कि मुझे वहां बहुत चीजें शूट करने का मौका मिले। Hi Anshu and Tara, this is Abhishek, the founder of Sports Park Mumbai. You both are super welcome to my club. We do organize sports events. Oh, lovely, fantastic. Anshuman loves playing cricket.
Yeah, I still play. In fact, even now during lockdown, I'm Mastaram Part 2 release date बहुत जल्दी होगी। Both.
Which Tamil actor do I like most? Santanam sir. I'm fully biased. I love working with him. And my second Tamil film is with him only. Biscoth.
Hemant, thank you. Hemant is complimenting both of us, Tara. How are you both spending lockdown? We already answered that. We are both. Siddharth said he loved you, Tara, in the film Mastram.
Thank you so much.
Lover Classical, thank you so much. Any questions, guys? Sir, please batao.
Did you meet the real writer on whose character Mastram is based? No, we have not met him.
The producer has met him, and I don't think he's I think he's no more from what I have been told. But no, we haven't met him. Only the producer. He's met him once. Questions. You were looking best. Oh, Tara, someone.
Our chief, associate director is online right now. Hello, Singh Tasha.
Who's that?
He was on the film Mastram.
Acha. Hi, yaar. You're looking best in yellow sari. Tara, I agree. Rajat, I agree with you.
Why somebody is asking me, why are your followers not increasing quickly?
Who's?
अरे अब क्या करें? I'm not so active on social media. Maybe that's why.
Followers कुछ नहीं होता यार। अभी आप मुझे बताओ। Fun fact. Nasiruddin
Where did you get your inspiration for Raja Ram?
It's for me?
Yeah.
In the writing, in what the script that was given to me. I think I am very close to Raja Ram, the person. Like there are parts of me that are very similar. So I identified with Raja Ram a lot in parts. And that's what I do while preparing for any character. I try to see which part of me can relate to the character and which part of the character can relate to me. And then I try to bring it together.
Oh, thank you guys. Listen, so many of you all are talking about the perfect girl. Thank you so much.
I want to see. I want to see Perfect Girl. Where can I see it?
Online. It's on YouTube, and yeah, I mean, we're getting so much love for it. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you.
I want to watch it. I'm hearing so much. Anshuman sir.
When is Korma Sarkar back? As soon as I know, I will update you guys.
Thank you, Shiva. Thank you, Rahul.
Then someone is asking, which one was more joyful, Mastram the movie or the web series? Can't compare, yeah. Joyful to matlab can't compare at all because
be diplomatic.
I'm not being diplomatic. I'm not being diplomatic. I'll tell you what the thing is that for me, Manali trumps all. It's like going home. So for me, I think like it was मैं कुछ भी वहाँ shoot करूँगी ना, ऐसे लगेगा कि भाई मैं मतलब what do you call it, heaven पहुँच गई। मेरे लिए तो ऐसे है, like I feel like my heart and home is in the mountains. So, Mastram, the film was like an acting course for me. It was my first film, and I knew nothing at that time. So it was very different in terms of this time. Like I've been working now for a while, so craft-wise, that was like being in film school, and this was like, just not necessarily being in film school, but doing a project.
Being
So
in
it was very different. Huh?
being in college, from school graduated to
Being in
college.
college.
राहुल सर, आप इतने हैंडसम कब बन गए? पता नहीं यार, आपने बना दिया. It's your love. I was this jhalla before. I am the same. I'll remain like this. Thank you so much, Mukesh. Mukesh started watching Mastram because of Poroma. Thank you,
Oh,
Mukesh.
how sweet. Thank you.
Madhu and Raj, awesome. Thank you very much. Naveen, Tara, Naveen is giving you a really good compliment. He's saying your beauty and simplicity is mind-blowing. With simplicity. I agree with you.
Thank you. Have you watched Lucifer? Someone is asking both of us, have you watched Lucifer? No, I haven't.
I am watching, what am I watching? I'm watching Luther right now. I'm in the middle of Luther.
Luther's fantastic. I love Idris Elba. I'm a huge fan.
Yeah, he's just brilliant. I was just observing his walk. Have you seen how he walks?
He's too good. He's too good. He's too good.
Kundan Sharma is asking, which is your memorable episode in Mastram? Rememberable. Kundan, don't ask Tara this question. My favorite episode is the 6th episode. Because the love story, I like that episode for many reasons. The love story kind of flowers into, everything is balanced. So everything is moving on the same page. Number 6 in the current season is my favorite. And Tara ka bhi wahi hai.
Same.
Watched Mastram. It's a very nice one. Thank you. Tara, which Khan, Manjul is asking, which Khan among Shah Rukh, Salman and Amir would you desire to work with?
Shah Rukh, Salman and Amir.
They are not watching, so only take one.
I'm a huge Shah Rukh, Salman and Amir. All three, yeah. I mean, why would I?
I want to know this. Complete that answer. I'm a huge
Salman Khan fan from the time I was a kid. Matlab, I had his poster and all in my room. But yeah, I mean, I don't know, but I think I'd be too like starstruck because I'm a fan of his. Yeah, कैसे काम करेंगे?
Think more. Tara, what did you learn from me? Think more 11 is asking.
I already answered this.
We learned how to have good tea together.
Oh, Anshuman, he basically arranged the best tea ever on set for us. Best.
Sorry, Jagu Jagmeet. We'll try to get better on live. Sir, did you act
in Tamil film? You're on those questions. Where बहुत पीछे हो?
Oh, sorry. लेकिन I feel bad. तो तुम देखो ना, जवाब दो इन लोगों का नहीं.
अच्छा, okay. बॉलीवुड में कब आओगी? अरे हम लोग बॉलीवुड में ही काम कर रहे हैं.
Oh, good. Much fun, guys. Thank you.
Lovely. What are your views about Himachal Pradesh as Mastram shot here? We answered that. We loved shooting in Manali.
Yeah, enjoyed our time.
What do you like? What do you like then, the movie or the web series? What do I like? How can I answer? Yeah, the movie. The movie was my debut film. I mean, it's etched in my heart forever. And so is the web series. Okay. Which English series do you both watch? I am watching Hollywood right now on Netflix. I don't know what Anshuman is watching.
I'm watching
Money Heist. I haven't seen Money Heist.
Think More 11. How did life change after LSD? Yeah, life changed 360 degrees. Like as a debut film, it's the best I could have asked for, and people started calling me. So that's the best thing that can happen to an actor, where they start calling you and asking you to do parts rather than you trying to reach out. So, you've already answered this. Tara.
Is Tara dating USM? Yes.
What? Is
Yeah.
Tara dating who?
USM. Arey, it's Umang's handle, yeah.
Oh, yes, yes.
Umang's Instagram handle.
It's called what? USM?
USM.
Okay, Tara, you're very pretty. Which character you love playing? यार स्वराज
Which
आपका सवाल है character you love playing between what? In general or I like anything that challenges me.
Yeah,
Tara,
same. No, same.
something
That's why I love Madhu, yeah, because I know I came to you and I'm like, ये क्या है ये लड़की क्या है मतलब.
twisted.
I love Madhu. Yeah, anything that's challenging and anything that's not really similar to me also, I feel. That's also fun.
Hi, Sushil ji is online. Hi, Sushil ji, how are you? Sushil ji, have you worked with Sushil ji? Are your mom is doing Cope with Hope with Sushil ji tomorrow.
Yes.
Yes. How are you, sir? Tara, madam, your next web series. Tara, you got to answer that.
I answered that. Disconnected is on this thing, on line already.
Oh, of course. Disconnected. Watch it, guys. It's on YouTube.
Which character do you like most in Stranger Things?
Me? I love the guy with the curly hair and.
Yeah, see, he's so cute. I love him.
I think he's adorable. I don't remember.
Who sang to his girlfriend on the radio?
Oh my God, that scene is just
so cute, yeah.
Would Rajaram, Shadab is asking, would Rajaram have inspirations from Mumbai after he travels there? Haan yaar, you've seen him, he picks up things wherever he goes. So if he's in Mumbai,
draws from life.
He learns from life and improvises.
Do you both love cooking and what is your favorite food?
My favorite cuisine is Thai. Tara, yours?
Desi khana. Matlab.
Okay, lekin I love to khichdi I just learned Gujarati khichdi.
Yum!
So yeah, I love chai as my drink and khichdi.
Same. बस चाय दे दो.
लॉकडाउन में तारा आप और खूबसूरत हो गए हो.
When will Perfect Girl 2 come? As soon as Perfect Girl 2 is coming, I will let you guys know. Favorite food? Abhi rajma for me and khichdi chai.
Abhishek
Do I still love moths? Listen, I'm very scared of moths, as you know. Mat karo ye.
Tara will send you invitation for my upcoming gymnastic event. Somebody is inviting you somewhere.
Vidita, hi. Oh my
hi
God.
Guys.
Must
hi guys.
Debut or this one? Both, yeah. Mastram 2, as soon as part 2 is coming, we'll let you know.
Maheshwari.
Vidita is saying hello to you.
Hi.
Vidita
Rahul Maheshwari. Mastram shoot की time क्या? Real में हूँ? नहीं यार, there are intimacy directors who do things in a very professional way. जैसे action होता है, dance होता है, वैसे ही इंटीमेसी होती है. हम लोगों को ये सीखना बहुत जरूरी है और अच्छा है कि हमारे प्रोड्यूसर्स ऑलमाइटी फिल्म ने इसकी शुरुआत की है इस शो के साथ.
Is Mastram season 2 coming? When Mastram season 2 is coming, we will let you guys know.
Yes, it is coming. When depends on the lockdown. Mastram is based on a true story or true events. Yes, being Anujhir, yes, it is based on. Anshuman is looking more excited than audience. I am generally I'm like a cat on a hot tin roof.
Happy person.
That's how I am.
Cat on a hot tin roof. Someone has want A1 part 2 from Tamil fans. Listen, even I want. Please. Message Sanwar. I would love to do it. Where's Mastram shot?
Favorite
Manali.
Actress कौन है? My favorite actress. यार, every actress I work with, like Tara said, I end up learning from like Nusrat, Tara, Zareen. All of them have their own. But people who I've not worked with, I think Alia is a phenomenal artist. I feel she's very brave, and I really respect that. Very brave choices she makes. Most weighted series, Money Heist. Gurgaon. Arey, there's Just Karan. He's your biggest fan. He's watching it from Sydney. It's 2 a.m. there, and he's saying hi to you. Just Karan Singh. Hi, Just. Tara, you should say hi to him. Your voice has suddenly gone, huh, Tara? For some reason. Your audio has gone. I can't hear you. What is your favorite character? Someone, Sivadeep is saying you are the only for character in Mastram like Joker. I can't hear you. Ningaredi. Tara. Subhanallah, mashallah. Because your internet, it's the magic of your internet. The other day I was trying to watch your live with Auntie also, and are you there, Tara? Are you there? Okay, Tara, let's reconnect because I think we are losing each other. Let's reconnect.